Hey y'all, I'm Dr. Tierra Moore, founder and CEO of Black and Marine Science. And this is BIMS Dives. And today we're going to be diving into BIMS Week 2. Y'all, we have so many events, so many things planned for you, and we're going to be telling you all about them today. So go ahead, Jeanette, get us started.
Hi, everyone. I'm Dr. Jeanette Davis. I'm the Chief Innovation Officer of Black and Marine Science, also known as BIMS. And as Dr. Moore mentioned, we are really excited about BIMS Week 2 and everything that we have coming up. First thing you need to know is that BIMS Week 2 is from Sunday, November 28th through Saturday, December 4th. So we are super excited about all the events that we have planned. And on the very first day, Sunday, November 28th, is our BIMS roll call. So this is a day to celebrate us, guys. This is the roll call. This is an opportunity for all of the amazing Black people in marine science to highlight who you are, what you do, and you want to use the hashtag BIMS roll call. But we don't want to just leave out the other people of color who just enjoy the ocean. So for that reason, we're also incorporating Black on the Beach. So you want to use the hashtag Black on the Beach to highlight all of the beautiful Black people who connect with the ocean on the beach. So remember, Sunday, November 28th, hashtag BIMS roll call and hashtag Black on the Beach. Oh, let me also not forget that we are releasing our GIS map. We are partnering with Esri and Dr. Dawn Wright, who's the chief scientist at Esri, and she is building us this beautiful GIS map that locates a lot of our members around the world and what we do. So we're also going to be releasing our GIS BIMS map. So check it out and you'll be able to see all of the beautiful Black marine scientists and the work that they are doing around the world. And again, that's Sunday, November 28th.
All righty. Thank you so much, Jeanette. So I'm going to be introducing Monday, November 29th, 2021. So we are starting off with a new initiative called BIMS Reads. So actually the hashtags for Monday is going to be what's the commotion in the ocean, and then also hashtag BIMS grads. And we're going to start off Monday with this new initiative called BIMS Reads, and where we're going to be highlighting authors, Black authors in marine science. So the first book we're going to be reading is called What's the Commotion in the Ocean? So I'm very excited about that. We're going to have the author come and read, Nisha Williams, and she's going to have a Q&A about her author journey. Up next, we're going to have a workshop from lurking to networking. And this is where you're going to really learn how to go from being a wallflower to being a full power networking. And that's going to be hosted by Awoke Space LLC. Then we're going to be diving into ocean funding with Dr. Brandon Jones. We're talking about how to get the money. We know that ocean research is expensive, and so we have to figure out how to get that money. After that, we're going to be having a BIMS grads panel. So that's going to be a whole panel dedicated to being Black in graduate school. After that, we're going to start off with our first keynote address for the week with Angela Crenshaw with the title, The Ultimate Outdoors Woman. And we're getting real with these Crenshaws, y'all. We're going to be with these keynotes, y'all. We're going to be talking about the South Atlantic slave trade, Black folks' history to water and our historical trauma. So definitely come for the real in the raw. And then after that, we're going to be doing another initiative, a new initiative, a hashtag BIMS Care. And this is going to be dedicated to self-care. So after we talk about these heavy topics, we're going to actually, get some therapy time, have a therapist come in and chat with us. So definitely make sure you're tuned in on Monday, November 29th. All right, Chris, you ready to introduce Tuesday?
Yeah, I'm Chris Howard, the Chief Relations Officer, and our hashtag for Tuesday are going to be Giving Tuesday and hashtag Ocean Justice. And our BIMS read for Tuesday is going to be Mermaid Kinsey, Protector of the Deep, read by author Charlotte Sherman. Mute him. Or after that, we have our virtual message box panel, and that's presented by Compass. And then we're going to have our Out of the Water panel after that also on Tuesday. That's aimed to discuss the barriers in marine science and to empower our disabled and LGBTQ members of BIMS. And then our keynote speaker for that day is going to be Queen Quet, and she's going to be talking about the history of the Gullah Geechee Nation and then its connection to the ocean. And then finishing off that day with our BIMS Cares after that. And so next we got Wednesday coming up.
All right, thank you so much, Chris. I am Dr. Camille Gaines, and I am the Chief Science Officer for Black and Marine Science, and I'm going to be talking to you all about the events happening on Wednesday, December 1st. We're going to start off with our BIMS Reads, of course, and I'm extremely excited about this because we're going to be talking with Alexis Pauline Gums, who is going to read an excerpt of her book, Undrowned, Black Feminist Lessons from Marine Mammals, and it's going to be followed up by a Q&A. After that, we're going to have a workshop hosted by See Potential, and they're going to talk about linking Black culture with marine science and art. For our BIMS Dives, we're going to be talking with Dr. Ambrose about inclusion in ocean sciences. And if you haven't, he's done a BIMS Dives with us previously, and it was amazing. So I encourage you all to please watch that as well. And if not, definitely tune in on Wednesday. He has a wealth of knowledge that we are so thankful that he gives to the community. After that, we're going to have a keynote by Zandil Naholo, and it will be followed up with a moderated Q&A. We will then have a panel by one of our sister organizations, BIMS, Black Women in Ecology and Evolution in Marine Science. It will be a panel. And finally, we will have our BIMS Care, and we will have a trap yoga session. All of these events, you can tune in online, and please use the hashtag or follow the hashtag Real Talk Wednesday to see what people are talking about when it comes to the events on Wednesday. All righty, that's Wednesday. Now I'm going to pass it off to my colleague who is going to introduce Thursday.
Hello, everybody. My name is Simone, and I am the Chief Learning Officer for Black and Marine Science. Thursday, December 2nd, the hashtag is Youth Thursday. And as the Chief Learning Officer, I'm pretty excited about this day. So we're going to start our day with BIMS Reads, and we are actually going to have our very own Jeanette Davis read her book, Science is Everywhere, Science is for Everyone. So definitely tune into that. Also, we are going to have a youth workshop, and during this workshop, first graders will get to do Q&A with Black marine scientists, and then also they'll learn a little bit about how they can take action against marine debris in their own communities. Later that day, we will be having BIMS Dives into Capturing the Ocean. This is going to be a chat with Inka Cresswell on how to use videography and photography to capture the ocean. So if you're into media, that one is definitely for you. Our keynote that is on Thursday will, oh, sorry, y'all. Our keynote that is on Thursday will be with Howard Forbes, followed by a moderated Q&A with Kiko Wilkins. So definitely check that out. And we will also be having a marine science career panel. This will be a youth-focused career panel on various different marine science jobs. This is co-sponsored with UMB, so that is University of Maryland, Baltimore County, UMB Cure, and their students will be inside the Zoom, and this event will be streamed to our YouTube. So definitely be subscribing to our YouTube if you are not already subscribed. And then, of course, we will end the day with hashtags BIM Care. BIMS Care. Did I say BIM Care? Hashtag BIMS Care. Okay, and now on to Friday.
Thank you so much, Simone. So Friday, this is arguably the best day of the week because TGIF, right? So along with the Real Scientist Twitter takeover that we will be doing all week, we have a couple hashtags that we want you guys to follow. That's hashtag I am not my hair, hashtag sink or swim. BIMS will also be taking over the Patty IG channel, so make sure you tune into that. So we're going to have an awesome BIMS read as we have through the rest of the week. And then we have this awesome safety and marine science panel by Dr. Monica Cox and Catherine Harris. They'll be discussing personal safety and field safety. And we all know that sometimes field work can get a little hairy and you get put into interesting situations and you just want to be safe and protect yourself. Next, we'll do a BIMS dives into aquatic ecosystems with Dr. Mamie Parker on various aquatic ecosystems and their connection to the ocean. You can catch this and it'll just be with our wonderful ASL interpreter. And then we have an awesome Diving While Black panel. The best part of this panel is we have sent 4 students sponsored by Patty to go diving at the beginning of the week. So they're going to be talking about their experiences as well as other seasoned divers. Then we have the keynote by Dominique Thomas, and it's going to be Pathways to Earthseed, a journey through Afro-tourism and Black feminist ecological thought. I'm so excited for that one. And as usual, we've got BIMS Cares, hashtag BIMS Cares. And we're going to be learning a little bit about self-care today. So get those mud masks ready and get those mani-pedis together. I'm now going to pass it on to Alex Troutman.
Hey y'all, I hope you guys are excited for Saturday. This is all about us. It's the BIMS in Black, the All Black Affair. We're having a virtual award ceremony, a black ball, and so to speak. We're Black, so we're going to have a black ball. So come to this virtual event. We're going to kick it off at 4 o'clock. We will have music, we're going to have spoken word, and of course, we're going to have another episode of BIMS Read throughout the award ceremony, the Black Ball event. Just remember that since we are Black, Black attire is required. So come out and have a lot of fun.
Yes, yo, BIMS Week. BIMS Week is about to be lit, y'all. We are going to make an even bigger splash than last year. This is me doing the tech at the same time I'm talking because this is how we ride out here at BIMS Week. But this is who we are. This week is literally about being authentically Black, how that belongs in marine science, how we should be there. All of our events are going to be hosted on Zoom, but actually streamed live to our YouTube channel. So definitely make sure you are subscribed, youtube.com/Black and Marine Science. Everything will be right here for you. We will have some space in some of our rooms in the Zoom event, but definitely make sure to subscribe. Also, during the week, we are going to be having giveaways. We have a lot of different things. Folks like donating to BIMS. They like running us some stuff. So I don't know if folks want to shout out some different things that we'll be giving away during the week.
So I already said that we have given away 4 Patty scholarships for open water diving. So thank you, Patty, for that donation.
And then also that class is going to be sponsored as well by, we have the National Association of Black Divers, of course, BIMS throwing some support, OceanX. So yes, we have a lot of definitely supporters for that. We have books for the BIMS Reads. We're going to be giving away one of the author's books for each of those. We actually got some shirts from Dr. Dawn Wright, who is an awesome GIS and deep sea scientist. And so she donated some shirts. We have, just some BIMS drip stickers, different things like that, some BIMS memberships as well. So
and I'm also going to be giving away a few copies of my book, Science is Everywhere, Science is for Everyone, some autographed copies. So check that out as well. And that'll be happening on the Youth Thursday.
Yes, books. We're giving out all types of books all around. We're also going to be having some social events. So these are going to be very special. We're going to add them in the upcoming week. You don't see them on the calendar. Well, actually, you will by the time you see this. But but we're going to have some social events as well. So make sure you join us so we can really come together as the Black and Marine Science community, really support each other, network, find out what we have going on, and really just have that community bonding. Is there anything else, y'all? Anything else about BIMS week that folks want to say? Folks want to get out of their hearts. I'm just so excited. It's going to make a big splash. Just make sure just make sure you're tuned in.
Make sure you guys tune into all of our social media channels. So that's youtube.com/Black and Marine Science. Make sure you subscribe. We've got Twitter at Black and Marsci, and then we've got Instagram at Black and Marine Science, and then it's Black and Marine Science on Facebook as well.
Yes. Anybody else? All right, y'all. BIMS week 2.
Big splash is about to be lit.
It's about to be lit.
Hey, tell a friend.
Tell a friend to tell a friend to tell a friend. Slide in our DM. Look, slide on our social media. Slide in our PayPal donations as well. We take all donations. We take all donations because we work hard. All right, y'all.